Guess who's back? Back again. Justin's back. Whew. Oh my gosh, does it feel good to be back after my 2-week long vacation. Whew. Can't wait to finally go ride, but first. Oh man, does it feel good to be back on a bike. Whew. 2 weeks up in Wisconsin was way too long.
It was a nice break from Justin, but he's back.
Unfortunately. Oh, we almost touched. Ah, mate! Kyle!
Yeah.
We forgot to tell the peoples about the graphics.
Wait. Oh, the graphics on the Z's?
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
Alright. Alright. Oh, man. There's my new graphics kit. It's the America edition. It's actually one of their offerings for their promo from Kawasaki is if you pick up a Z before March, you get a free decor graphics kit, which is pretty awesome. It's even customizable. You got the little Z Garage.
Yeah, and depending on which one you get, like this is the, what is this? Like it's kind of like a racer style. It has like a number.
What's his name? I'll put his name up on the screen. It's one of the Supermoto racer guys.
Yeah, you can get like all kinds of, like mine customizes right here and right up here, and then you can get a custom number, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I got this because it's like the green kind of thing, and then you got the America because America,
and I'm in the Army, and yeah, just, you know, that pride for the red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like how it turned out. I'm still kind of debating if I want to put the red and white wheel stripes on or not.
I think you should, because it'd be pretty cool.
It'd be cool if they had the white, so I could do. Ooh, all white. That would be cool. I mean, it came with red and blue, so I would have to get some white, but that'd be too easy. Do red, white, and blue. Boom. Are we ready to go off-roading, boys? Yeah, sure. All right, let's get it going. How are we getting over there? What? Woo! That's a little steep.
And there was a pole when I came up too.
Oh yeah. Back. Oh, soft clay. Whoa. Oh, that was really soft. Oh my god.
I'm just like dodging it. I'm trying to get away from it. Oh man, I just cleaned my bike.
Oh well, I guess we're testing the durability of these graphics kits today. Giant pile of poop. I see it. It's clay. That's clay. That's just wet clay, man. You're just picking up pine straw. Oh my god. We gotta get to the water so you can rinse it off. Oh my god. Tyler, where'd you go? Well, whoop.
And there goes David.
He's got to rinse his foot off.
Yeah. You have a piece of crap hanging from the taillight.
I'm sorry. I'll clean it off for you. Oh, thank you, Kyle, for letting me borrow your taillight.
Yeah.
Yeah, the TST light that I had, one of the LEDs went out, but they were awesome enough to warranty it for me.
We're gonna get a running start.
Go, go.
Oh, did I spray him? I'm sorry. Sorry.
All right.
I didn't want to get stuck.
But no, my TST taillight, one of the LEDs went out, and they were awesome enough to warranty it. But I had to, but Kyle had to smash it for me, and we'll put in some clips of how much work Kyle had to do to actually smash it, because how well it's freaking made.
It was really strong. I freaking did everything I could. And Justin just kept telling me things to do. He texted me and said, jump on it. So I jumped on it. And then I dropped the jack on it. And
hit it with a hammer, hit it with a mallet, like, hit it with a bunch of crap, and it just wouldn't break. But there, I didn't get it in time before the ride, so he let me borrow his new LED one from Man in the Box. So I'm sorry, Kyle, if it gets dirty. I won't loop, so, because, you know, I can't wheelie for crap. Oh, that's a big one, biggin'. Oh, there's like a little. Ready? I'm going. Oh, a little wet. Take the little bridge. The guy with the freaking knobbies takes the bridge. What a knob.
oh man. This is the one thing I hate.
Water?
I just washed it.
That'll be fine. Oh yeah, good job.
Oh, I'm soaked. Oh man.
Oh man.
Dude, I'm soaked. Oh man.
Yeah, just go slow. Go, Tyler.
Oh man. Oh man. What happened?
Yep.
Dude, look at my bike.
I'm stuck.
Dude, my freaking flags are so. Dang it.
Go.
Oh, water's got in my shoes now. Which way?
There's some real off-roading now, boys.
Well, we had somebody say they were tired of the wheelies and wanted some off-roading. Well, here you go.
Yep.
I'm soaked. Let's go.
This is like the good old days. Ah!
Oh, water. Oh, that was mud. My freaking legs, man. Sucks. We're right here. Oh, guys. We might not go through that one. I really don't want to go through that.
Oh, this is the one that Kyle, like, got all worried about last time. I remember you flew through this one on your Grom.
Somebody's been through this.
It'll be fine.
I can tell you one thing, somebody's been through it, but it ain't gonna be me.
Oh yeah, I'm going. Go! It doesn't look that deep. Just go slow.
Oh my god. Really? I'm gonna have to go through it and come back. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
Come on!
I'm gonna get stuck.
No, you won't.
Yeah, you guys are digging a hole.
Hey, if Kyle goes through the hold on.
No,
Okay.
I'm not going through the hole. That's super deep.
If Kyle goes through the hole, guys, you gotta hit that like button. Come on, Kyle.
I don't
Do it for the
want to
likes.
go through the hole.
Do it for the likes, Kyle.
I don't want to.
Just
Probably
freaking do
deeper.
it. Here, stand up on your sub cage and you'll be fine. Come on, Kyle.
I really, like, every bone in my body is telling me, don't do it.
Come on.
I'm gonna fall.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will. I'm not that good at off-roading.
You'll be fine. I'm on my bike. You'll have
And I'll have to go through it to come back this way anyways.
It'll be fine.
Yeah, we do.
So, come on, Kyle. Come on, man.
I don't want to.
Come on. Just send it, man.
I really don't want to, man.
Come across the bridge.
You guys, I really don't want to.
Damn. Friendship shore.
I just really don't want to, man.
Like, Come on, Kyle. Just go nice and slow. But don't go too slow.
Where do I go? Left or right?
Go, actually, no, stay in the center.
Day 2.
All right, let's go. Come on. See? Oh, there's a tree there. There's a tree there.
I did not want to hit the brakes and stop in that. So again, why I didn't want to go. That right there.
You're good. Good job. Uh-oh.
Nah.
Kyle, are you fine?
That sucked. I better get some likes for that. That freaking sucked.
Guys, now you have to hit that like button.
Shut up.
Damn, Kyle.
Oh, don't even tell me. It's not that bad. Okay.
Don't even tell me that.
I don't want to even go through another one that's deep.
It wasn't that deep, it was just long.
Oh, son of a... Man, this sucks.
Kyle, you're already wet. What else you gotta do?
I didn't go that fast. See, this is the end and we have to turn around. I'm not stupid. I already came through here before. I'm not an idiot. Ah.
Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like French toast? Yeah, we like French toast. Do you like pancakes? Yeah, we like pancakes.
None of this is going in the video because it's irritating. This is what I deal with 24/7.
It's just like some song.
I really enjoyed my break.
I bet.
I can't hear you, what? I've been in here before. Just go right. All right, good job cutting me off there. Yeah, you stopped in front of me.
That was a good one. Kyle, you're probably gonna have to use a lot of that video. Oh, my helmet, man! My nice new helmet. Alrighty. Are we good?
Oh, did you see that? That was so cool.
Yeah, you did. Oh, man. Yeah, you popped your chain, man.
Hey, David. It looked cooler last time. See the little mark? It was cool.
There you go.
It like waved.
Yeah, it's pretty loose. Yeah, it is. Look at how loose that thing is, man. It's like almost on your kickstand. Tighten it real quick.
Hey, do you guys need help? Are we going this way?
Oh, God. Tyler, are we going back to tighten it real quick?
Or are we going this way? Are we going this way?
I would say, yeah.
Are we going this
I would
way?
go tighten it, man. That's really
Woo!
loose.
Almost fell. Almost fell.
And especially if you're going to be wheeling it later.
That's pretty fun.
Well, guys, I think that's gonna call it for right now. We'll be back next week, but if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button.
I gotta focus, I gotta stop. Oh God! Ah, I'm on fire!
Oh, fire truck.
He's going to go put out the fire! Woo! If you like this video, leave a like. If you have any questions, comment.
You guys have to hit the like button because Kyle went through the puddle, so.
Go! See you guys next week! Woo! Oh my god, I almost fell.
All right, guys, we'll see you next week.
I already ended it.